learners, welcome to our channel YTTA Learning. In this video, you will learn about Windows operating system. So let's start. Here we will learn the types of user interfaces, the main parts of Windows, how to use the desktop screen, starting programs, and how to restart and shut down the computer safely. This step-by-step guide is designed to be simple and easy to follow. I must say that you must be very much familiar how to use touchscreen phones, right? Now think and recall. Actually, how do you interact with it? You're interacting with phone using an Android operating system, which is providing you an easy way to operate the device. Similarly, in computers also an operating system is working, which acts as a user interface. A user interface is how you tell the computer what to do and how the computer shows the information to you. It can be pictures, buttons, or just text commands. There are two types of user interfaces. First, CLI, also known as command line interfaces, and second, GUI, which is known as graphical user interface. A command line interface (CLI) allows user to interact with the computer by typing commands into a console or terminal. Let me show you how you can view CLI in Windows also. To open the CLI, type command in search box. Once you see command prompt, select it. This black screen is the command prompt, where all the tasks can be done using command only. Another user interface is graphical user interface or GUI. Windows uses a GUI, which means you can see pictures, icons, and menus that you can click with a mouse. This makes it easier to use, especially for beginners. In GUI, you can use mouse and keyboard both to interact. In this video, we will learn more on it, so let's go for next. To understand Windows better, let's talk about various components of Windows. When Windows started, the first screen which we get is the desktop screen. The desktop screen is the main screen you see when you turn on the computer. On that screen, you see icons. Icons are small pictures that represent programs, files, or folders you can open. The screen in front of you is the desktop screen. On this side, you are looking at icons of this PC, recycle bin and browser, and this PC. From the desktop screen, you will access taskbar and start menu. This taskbar is at the bottom of the screen and shows open programs. The start menu helps you find and open different programs and settings on your computer. Let me show you in practical. You can see at the bottom it is the taskbar. The highlight picture is Start menu. Let's learn how to use the mouse and keyboard. Select and open icons and arrange the desktop to make it easy and fun to use. To open a program or a file, you click on its icon, and double clicking means clicking the icon twice quickly to open it fast. A single click it gets selected only. Here I select this PC, recycle bin and Edge browser. But when I double click the icon of this PC, it opens the other window, where on the right corner we have minimize, maximize and close button. You can move icons around, change the background picture and adjust settings to make your desk look the way you like. Let me show you how. To move the icons, I click on the icon and hold the left click of the mouse and move to the desired location. Now, to arrange the icon, I simply right click on the blank area of the desktop, go to View, select Auto Arrange. You can also try Display Settings, where you can change the resolution and many other display settings. Here's the resolution. And to change background, I go to Personalize option on the right click menu options, and then here I change my desired background. Now I've selected it, and as you can see, my background is selected. Now we will see how to find programs. Open them by double clicking and switch between running programs easily. The Start menu shows a list of programs on your computer. You can click to find and open the program you want to see. Let's say I want to open Notepad application. There are two options which I'm going to show you: Start menu or search box. So to open Notepad, I click on Start menu and it shows all the applications, I select the notepad application and it gets open. Now let's see the other option. To open notepad application, I start typing notepad in the search box. It appears in the list. I click on the icon of the notepad. I believe so far you have tried all the things. If not, start the video again, pause and play and try each activity. Now let's talk about restarting the computer. Sometimes you need to restart the computer to fix problems or finish installing updates. Let's see when and how to restart safely. You can restart when the computer when it is slow, frozen or after installing new programs or updates to keep it running well. Restarting shuts down all programs and clears memory, then reloads Windows so the computer works fresh and smooth. Restart, you need to click the Start menu, select the power button, and then choose Restart. Wait as the computer turns off and on again. Let me show you the option. I may not restart, but you will see the option here. Go to Start menu. You can see the power button here. Here is the power button. And here it is the restart option. Finally, we are on the shutting down. Properly shutting down your computer helps keep it safe and saves your work. Let's learn why and how to do it. Shutting down closes all programs safely and helps you protect your files from damage. So it is very important to shut down the computer properly once you're done for your all tasks. Click the Start menu, select the power button, then click Shut down to turn off your computer safely. Let me show this option also. To shut down, I go to Start, then Power button. Here you see Shut down. Once you press the shutdown, please wait for the system to shut down completely. Make sure no lights are blinking anywhere after shutting down the computer. So dear learners, now you know the basics of the Windows operating system. From understanding user interfaces or starting programs and safely restarting or shutting down, you are ready to explore Windows with confidence. I believe you learned a lot. And I'm sure you're looking for more such content. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel YTTA Learning, like this video, share it with your friends to promote learning. If you want to learn with us, visit our website ytta.in and contact us. We will help you in your computer learning journey. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.